welcome to my channel, Chatting with Chops, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen, and I try and make fun and entertaining videos that might teach you something along the way. Today, I'm showing off my Lego Christmas Village. This is a thing that has been going on for a while now. It started way back when I used to know someone who set up a Christmas village every year, and it had beautiful ceramic buildings that lit up, and it had trees and snow and all kinds of little people, and I just loved it so much. And my husband suggested to me that maybe I should make my own village out of Legos, because at the time I had a couple of Christmas Lego sets, but nothing too extensive. And so slowly over the years I have collected more and more sets that are Christmas themed, and so I set them out as if I was doing a Christmas village. Some of these sets are much older, and it's just a lot of fun to set them up each year. I hope you enjoy watching, and should you want to know about any of these sets, I can put the numbers down in the description box, but I don't even know that all of these sets are still made or that you can still get them. But anyway, I hope you enjoy watching. So here's the finished product. These are years and years of Legos collected. No, I am not sponsored by Lego. I would love it if I was, of all the money that I have spent with Legos over the years. And these are just Christmas Legos. I have lots and lots of other Legos. You'll also you'll have to check out some of my other Christmas videos, because I have a Lego Christmas train that goes around the bottom of my tree that I'm hoping I'll be able to show you guys very soon. But here it's all set up. All the wonderful Christmas Legos that I own. And it's kind of my Christmas village that I put out each year.